Heavenly Father, we thank you for this beautiful day and especially for the occasion that brings us together. This love and commitment between Maddie and James.
Fare thee well now. I am strong. I am goodbye. I'm a long way from home.
James, when I met you for sushi, it instantly felt like we knew each other, and part of it was our separate experiences in San Luis Obispo that felt shared. The other part was an instant bond I felt because we're similar souls. We're meant to be life partners.
I'm gonna fly.
My babes, from the moment we met, I knew there was something special about you.
I am an old road walking on my feet.
Your determination, your drive, you're always doing better, not only to yourself, but to push me out of my comfort zones, with you always by my side, comforting me.
I ain't no angel, but I've got
As you've always been there for me, I always promise to be there for you and our four boys. The boys that make our lives complete, and I can't imagine the family we've built together. Thank you for choosing me to go through this life together. And I love you, and I cherish you.
I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly.
It is not good for the man to be alone. You figured that out all by yourself, James. Congratulations. You are a smart man. So God says, I'll make a helper suitable for him. Maddie, in your professional opinion, would you agree that this man needs help?
He needs me.
Yeah, he does. And you're here for it.
I'm a boy at the window as the summer sun sets.
Said God didn't take from the man's head so she could rule over him, or from his feet that she could be his slave beneath him. God took from his side that she could be his partner beside him, yet from under his arm that he could use his strength to guide and protect her.
I'm gonna fly.
It says, for this reason, a man will leave his father and mother, be united to his wife. The two will become one flesh.
You gotta find your people, the ones that make you feel alright.
I, James, take you, Maddie, to be my wife.
I, James, take you, Maddie, to be my wife.
I, Maddie, take you, James, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward,
To have and to hold from this day forward.
for better or for worse,
For better or for worse.
to love and to cherish,
To love and to cherish.
as long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
You gotta find your people, the ones that get the joke.
Maddie, I give you this ring
Maddie, I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love
as a symbol of our love
and a promise to be faithful to you.
and a promise to be faithful to you.
Put the needle in the groove. When you're together, you
It is my great privilege to declare that you are now husband and wife. And what God's joined together, let no man dare to separate. You may kiss your bride.
in a world full of strangers, you don't know the trust. All you see is danger, trying to find what you lost. You can't go it alone. Everybody needs help. You gotta find your people, then you'll find yourself.
James is not the loudest voice in the room, but he shares many of the incredible qualities that my dear sister possesses. Loyalty, kindness, and an upbeat sense of humor, unwavering love, and support for the absolute best person in the world, Maddie. Life is full of ups and downs, but I can truly say that watching my sister fall in love and be so loved in return is a definite high of my life.
In a world full of strangers, you don't know who to trust. All you see is danger, trying to find what you lost. You can't go it alone. Everybody needs help. You gotta find your people, then you'll find yourself.
God, thank you for these two and for their obvious love for each other. We ask that you bless and increase all three of these loves in their lives for the rest of their lives, that each day they grow closer as friends, more passionately in love as lovers and more deeply committed to each other as husband and wife.
Find your people, the ones that make you feel alright, that tell you the truth and wish you well.
I want to introduce to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. James and Maddie
You
Humbert.
gotta find your people, then you'll find yourself.